Question number 51. The ability to extract subtotal and total from the receipt is the capability of the service. Custom vision. See, custom vision is something by which we can do this thing. We can extract, but not it will means we have to train the model and all. So custom vision is not exactly made for this one, right? Form recognizer, yes. Form by the form recognizer, we can extract total and subtotal. Ink recognizer, I don't know. Ink recognizer, form recognizer is the best way to extract the total and subtotal. And text analysis, no, it's related to the analysis. So correct answer is the form recognizer. Question number 52. You use Azure Machine Learning Designer to publish an inference pipeline. Which two parameters should you use to consume the pipeline? Each correct answer present part of the solution. So what is the question asked? The question asked is we have a Azure Machine Learning design and you need to publish the inference pipeline. So what the parameter we use? So what you need during to publish the machine learning inference pipeline. During the publish, what is the required? Is it required the model name? No. Is it required the training endpoint? No. Is it required the authentication key? Yes. Is it required the REST endpoint? Yes. Means REST endpoint is the URL where you need to publish and authentication key by which you can authenticate your URL. So option C and D is the correct answer. Question number 53. From the Azure Machine Learning Designer to deploy a real-time inference pipeline as a service for the other to consume, you must deploy the model to a local web service, Azure Container Instance, Azure Kubernetes Service, Azure Machine Learning Compute. So you have to deploy means you have Azure Machine Learning Design and you need to deploy at real-time inference pipeline. So for that, what you need during the deployment of it? So for that, Azure Kubernetes Service is the best option to deploy your model. Question number 54. Predicting how many hours of the overtime each delivery person will work based on the number of orders received is the example of the classification, clustering, and regression. See, clustering is the something AI in which there is a grouping happens, right? So clustering will not correct option. Classification in which we can classify means categorize the object. Is it a like for example, is it a banana? Is it a apple? Like this, we can classify. Is it visible or not? Is it dog or is it cat? Like that is something like that. But whereas regression is something wherever we have get the value more than the zero. So here it's based on the regression. So correct answer is regression. Question number 55. This is the statement-based question in which first is the Azure Machine Learning Designer provide the drag and drop to Visual Issue Canvas to build the test and deploy machine learning model. Yes, in the machine learning mod designer that provide the drag and drop the visual canvas to build the test. This is the correct. If you had any time C, then yes, you can do from Statement 2. Azure Machine Learning Designer enable you to save your progress as a pipeline draft. Yes, this is also true. In machine learning, Azure Machine Learning Designer enable you to save your progress. So this is statement also true. Statement 3. Azure Machine Learning Design enable you to include the custom JavaScript function. No. In Azure Machine Learning Designer, you can include the Python. Question number 56. What is the main difference between the classification and regression? Option A, classification use image regression use. text. Can be partially true. Classification predicts the category. Regression predicts the numerical value. Yes, option B is the correct. Option C, regression group unavailable data. Option C, there is no difference. So correct answer is option B. Question number 57. Which service would you use to translate text into the another language? Azure Text Analytics that is used to analytics, yani analysis about the text. Azure Language Understanding, LUIS, that is you need to understand what the things, what the user is speaking. That is LUIS. Azure Translator. So we have to translate one language to another language. Text translate text to another language. So thus, translator is the best option. Azure Board Service that is used like a chat service. So correct answer is option C, translator. Question number 58 again is a statement based question. Here we need to select we choose the statement is true or false. So first statement is Azure Machine Learning Designer provide the drag and drop Visual Studio Canvas. Yes, this is true. I think this question of 58 is repeating once again, but no worry, we can repeat it so that we can also remind that what we have covered is it the in our mind or not. So yes, Azure Machine Learning provides the drag and drop Visual Studio Canvas to Figma Machine Learning. Yes, true. Azure Machine Learning enable you to save your progress draft. Yes. Azure Machine Learning Design enable you to include the custom JavaScript function. No, we use the Python. Question number 59. You have a following data set. You plan to use the data set to train a model that will predict the house price category of house, what household income and price category to answer the select appropriate option in the option. See, household income, is it a feature or is it a label? So household income is the part of the feature. House price category is the label. Question number 60. Azure Machine Learning Design let you to create the machine learning model by adding and connecting the model on the visual canvas. Yes. Automatically perform the common data preparing the task. No. Automatically selecting the algorithm to build the most accurate model. Using code first notebook to experiencing. So, as per my point of view, first is the correct adding and connecting the model on the visual canvas.